Hey y'all, welcome back to my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We have another sneaker review today. We have the Jordan 11 Cool Gray. Let's get right into it. So the sneakers app, on the sneakers app, they sent me a notification that I had exclusive access or whatever they call it, officially released on December 11th. So I purchased my regular size. So Air Jordan 11 Retro, and they are the Cool Grays, size 5.5. Here's what the box looks like. So if you watch my other sneaker collection video, you'll know that I love Jordan 11s. I love the silhouette of them, the patent leather. I think they're so beautiful. I hate when stuff is like in stuff. I know people are just rushing doing things, but that just bothers me for some reason. All right, so here they go. Really, these are $225 retail, but I really wish these were the low top. I really want to pair a low top better, but this gray is so lovely in the blue bottom. Now, I'm not gonna lie, something about these I don't love. I don't know what it is. I feel like I would like them better on somebody else. I don't know what it is about these that I'm just not like blown away by them. I don't know if it's the color of this gray I just don't like. I'm not sure what it is, but I haven't tried them on. I will try them on. I mean, I'm sure that they fit like all the other ones, but here they go. I'm sure they're gonna be sold out when they release immediately. Probably gonna end up selling these because like I said, I don't love them. There's something about this gray. I don't know what it is. I just don't know. They're a nice sneaker, but I feel like I need to love something for $225. Not just getting something to have it. So here it is. Well, thank you for watching. Make sure you check out my other sneaker reviews. I just got done doing today. Just got done doing 2 Yeezy sneakers. I'm gonna be doing Vlogmas that starts this week and next week, I believe. So like, comment, subscribe.